It was an ordinary morning in the village. 3 laborers were working deep inside the old well, cleaning the base and reinforcing the walls. Suddenly, a loud cracking sound echoed. The soil around them began to loosen. Before they could react, massive chunks of earth collapsed into the well. Their screams filled the air as dust rose above, and then silence. The 3 men were buried alive, somewhere beneath the fallen debris. The terrifying news spread like fire. Within minutes, the villagers rushed toward the wellmen, left their fields. Women brought ropes and tools. Children stood trembling nearby. Fear was in every heart, but so was determination. Without machines, without formal rescue, they started digging with shovels, hands, and anything they could find. Mothers prayed. Elders gave directions. No one stopped. No one gave up. The well echoed with one united voice: "We will not let them die." Hours passed. Hands bled. Faces were covered with mud and sweat. Then, just as despair was about to win, a faint voice came from the depth. "Help! I'm alive!" The crowd froze for a second, then cried in joy. With fresh energy, they pulled aside the last layer of earth. One by one, the laborers emerged wounded, barely conscious, but alive. The village wept. Mothers hugged their sons. Strangers embraced. In that moment, the whole village had won a battle between life and death.